Before beginning your installation, determine on which side you'll be running your power and if you'll be connecting one or two LEDs in a row, and lay out all the parts needed for the installation. Proslat LED lights can be mounted at any depth under your cabinet. Once you've determined the desired depth, temporarily tape the light to the bottom of your cabinet and pre-drill using the supplied drill bit. Attach the light with the M4 screw and nut using the supplied screwdriver and tighten. Repeat for the other end of the light and make sure to double check that the depth is still aligned with the other side. Connect the second LED from the female to the male, and if you're creating a gap, connect it with the extension cable and repeat the steps. Once your LEDs are secured, attach the on-off switch sensor to the side you'll be running your power, then pre-drill and install using the M4 bolts. Add screw cavity caps for a clean finish. Using the hole saw, drill a hole 1.5 inches from the end of your on-off switch in order to run your power cable up into the cabinet and then plug it in. Use the double-sided tape to secure your power supply in a location that won't get in your way. You can also tape your power wire to the bottom of your cabinet to prevent it from catching on something inside. Pre-drill another hole, if needed, to run your power wire out from the cabinet to the outlet. LEDs can also be mounted to wood or laminate cabinets by using the supplied wood screws.